Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the rules to make plurals. The plural forms are made generally by adding s or es, like book, books, car, cars, dress, dresses, dish, dishes, bird, birds, and so on. So generally we are adding s or es. In this video, we are going to see when are we going to add s and when are we going to add es. Generally, the plural form is made by adding s to the regular noun. So, what do you mean by regular noun? Regular noun are those nouns that follow the typical rules like dog, dogs, car, cars, apple, apples, bird, birds, beer, beers, chair, chairs. Here, what is the typical rule? That the plural form is made by adding s. So, we can see the s is added to the regular noun to make the plural. Now, the nouns ending with s, x, z, sh, that is sh, ch, that is ch. The plurals are made by adding es. Here are the nouns ending with s like class, dress, gas, bus, lens, glass. Here the nouns, the plurals are made by adding es like classes, dresses, gases, buses, lenses, glasses. Similarly, when the noun ends with x, es has to be added like box, boxes, fox, foxes, tax, taxes, mix, mixes. Similarly, the nouns ending with z, es has to be added like buzz, buzzes, jazz, jazzes. The nouns ending with sh, that is sh sound, es has to be added. Dish, dishes, flash, flashes, brush, brushes, wish, wishes. Similarly, the nouns ending with ch sound, ch, es has to be added. Church, churches, witch, witches, match, matches, bench, benches, inch, inches. Now we will be seeing the rules for the noun ending with y. For this, we should see what is preceding to the y. If a consonant is preceding to the y, then the rule is y has to be replaced with ies. That means y has to be removed and ies has to be added. For example, baby, the plural become babies. Y is removed and ies is added. Similarly, city becomes cities. Party, the plural is parties. Country, the plural is countries. Lady, ladies. Duty, duties. Puppy, y is removed and ies is added to make the plural. If the noun ends with y but preceded with vowel, means it is preceded with either a, e, I, o or u. In that case, we have to just add s like day, days, toy, toys, boy, boys. You will notice over here we are not removing y, we are just adding s. Key, keys, donkey, donkeys, tray, trays, play, plays, and so on. Now we will see the rules for the nouns ending with o. For the nouns which ends with o but precedes with a consonant, in that case we have to add es. Like echo, we have to add es, it becomes echoes. Hero, we have to add es, it becomes heroes. Plural of potato is potatoes. Volcano is volcanoes, and so on. In case when the noun ends with O but precedes with a vowel. You know what is a vowel? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. In that case, we have to just add S. Like radio, it is preceded with I. I is a vowel, therefore it becomes radios. Zoo, O is a vowel, therefore the plural becomes zoos. Tattoo ends with O and precedes with a vowel, another O, therefore the plural becomes tattoos. Wet will become wets and so on. The next rule is for the nouns ending with F or FE. The rule is we have to replace F or FE with VES. Like calf, F has to be replaced with VES. Therefore, plural of calf is calves. Half is halves. F is replaced with VES. Plural of leaf is leaves. Wolf is wolves. In case if the noun ends with FE, FE has to be removed and instead we have to write VES. That means FE is replaced with VES. Therefore, wife plural is wives, knife plural is knives, life plural is lives. Regular nouns are those nouns which follow the typical rules. Therefore, irregular nouns will not follow those typical rules. Instead, they will have their unique plural forms. Like man will become men. The plural of woman is women. Child, children, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. Ox plural is oxen and goose plural is geese. Now, let's sum up the rules. The general rule is we have to add S to the noun to make its plural. For the nouns ending with S, X, Z, SH and CH, we have to add ES. The nouns ending with a consonant and a Y, we have to replace Y with IES. When the noun ends with vowel and Y, in that case Y has to be removed and ES has to be added. In case when the noun ends with a consonant and O, we have to add ES. In case when the noun ends with vowel and O, we have to add just S. When the noun ends with F or FE, F or FE has to be replaced with VES. Students, as we know, there are exceptions and variations to the general rule. So, if you are confused while making a plural form, it is always good to consult a dictionary if you are not sure of it. Thanks for watching.